Hello traders, here with you again from Quality FX Trading. Let's have a look to our trade of the week, which was posted on Tuesday, August 16th in our Telegram channel, which you can find the link below this video. And today it has reached to target profit. The signal was to sell pound dollar from 129.50 level as entry to target profit, which was reached today at 1.18950. So let's have a look to the logic of this trade and why we decided to post such a signal. First, we start from daily chart, and then we will discuss deeply on the 1 hour chart. So here on the daily time frame, you can see there was a gap here from this candle low to this candle high. So this price action, it came up, it reached to this gap on the daily, and it didn't go above this. So we have decided to think about selling pound dollar, but we needed confirmation, and this from here the price pushed down below this short-term low, this candle which has a high week. This candle, we can see it went down. So this is kind of daily confirmation, um, but we needed to wait to see what price is going to do. Then price went up. Still we don't see a confirmation here because there is no fair value gap from here to here. So this is just a confirmation of like preparing to sell. So then once the price went up, and now we can see here, if I zoom in, after reaching to 22,500 level, price push down, and from here, exactly where I'm putting this line here, this is a daily gap between this low and this blue horizontal line, which is a daily fair value gap. So when we see this, we can think about selling from this high, or even in the shorter time frame. If I go to lower time frame, like 1 hour chart, here I'm going to exactly tell you what happened. So the short entry was at 129.50, and we have posted this signal exactly at 10 p.m. local time, uh, August 16, which was around noon session in New York, afternoon session after lunchtime. And we have posted this signal. So here at 129.50, and then the next day, August 17th, as you can see, price pushed up. But before that, if you can see here, 1 hour time frame, this pink horizontal line, which is referring to fair value gap on 1 hour chart, this little bit got it went through this, and then it came down. So the next day it pushed down, and this moving down. Then here we enter the trade, and the next day it had another kind of manipulation on August 17th. As you can see, price it came here to retest this order block which was created the day before, and then and also uh, fair value gap is here. So in this 1 hour candle we went inside daily fair value gap as indicated by blue horizontal line here, daily fair value gap. So this 1 hour candle it went inside and then it pushed down. So this was just manipulation on August 17th, and then price moved down and it created another fair value gap after daily confirmation because we already retested and we went inside the daily fair value gap. So when we see another H1 hour fair value gap here, this is the best to enter it. I mean, even the next day, which was August 17th, even it was another chance to enter here at the same level, exactly same level. So this was just manipulation up and down, same level, it created fair value gap, and then this was the good spot to enter your short. Um, then, if you remember, the August 17 was the day that we had FOMC meeting minutes. So here, exactly after lunchtime, which uh, FOMC meeting minutes was released, the price pushed up again, but it couldn't pass through this uh, H1 FVG. And this is interesting because, as I was telling you in the previous videos, this fair value gap is acting as support and resistance. And here it is very clear that after releasing the news, we try to manipulate just to uh, take the stop losses of the sellers, or to just convince some buyers to enter the market. So this is a market manipulation, and usually it's the best time to have such manipulation is at the news time, uh, which is a good time for this manipulation to happen. So here we went up and then it moved back down, and you can see here another 1 hour fair value gap. I of course I didn't put all the fair value gap highlighted as pink because it was making my chart too much messy, and it was not looking good like that. So here, if you see here this fair value gap on 1 hour chart, it was not retested. If you see, the price didn't go back to this fair value gap. This is another concept called actually it's a gap away. So this is a gap away which price didn't go to this gap. So for sure in the future this kind of gaps can be a good point of interest, either as an entry or target profit. So then price pushed down, and finally today, August 19th, in the London, even before the open the London session, you can see price almost reached to this blue line, which was the daily imbalance. If you look at the daily chart here, let me just switch back to the daily chart, and you can see why we have uh, why we had this target profit for this trade. Everything in our strategy has a logic. So here, and I can prove it to you. If you have any question, make sure to mention it in the comments. Definitely we will answer the question in our videos, and I will show you exactly what is happening, because our goal is to make a clear understanding on the price action and why the price moves. Actually, this is our goal here. That you don't make a big deal that's why forex prices are moving up and down. Any moves has a logic behind. So here, why the price is coming down, why we wanted this 118,950 to be as a target profit. The reason is that on a daily chart, between this low and this high, there is a gap, right? But this gap was filled initially at this time here, but it's still not 100%. 90% of the gap was filled, and now we are filling the rest of 10%. So that's why we are setting the target profit below this candle, this low, this the weak low here, and to fill the rest of this imbalance, daily imbalance. And here, that's why we set that target profit, but we didn't put exactly the TP at this imbalance. Anyhow, it will fill that, but there is a chance that uh, it may not go exactly to that. So that's why we set the target profit as the equal low, not below the low. And if I just go back to one hour chart, so this was the analysis for our trade of the week, which was posted in our Telegram channel. If you are interested, make sure you subscribe to our Telegram channel. The link is, I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. If you're interested, you can join. This is a free channel, and you will see this kind of signals time to time. Which this signal actually, it had 200 pips profit, and you can go to our Telegram channel and see that exactly the date that we have posted this signal as a proof. And even we updated about the initial target profit, and even somehow managing the trades, and today it reached to target profits. So thanks for watching this weekly trade analysis, and hope you understood exactly why we had this trade signal in this week, and what was the reason for that, and what was the logic behind. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.